How to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. This tutorial shows you how to publish a vertical video the right way so YouTube recognizes it as a short. First, open your browser on your computer and go to YouTube Studio. From there, click Create at the top right. After that, click Upload Videos. At this point, click Select Files or drag and drop your video directly into the upload window. Following this, browse to where your vertical video is saved and select it. Give it a moment while YouTube uploads the file. From here, once it's uploaded, fill in your title and description. At this stage, YouTube automatically detects vertical videos under a minute long and tags them as shorts, so no separate toggle is needed. Following this, scroll down and set the audience for your video, since YouTube requires you to specify whether it's made for kids. From here, click Next through the remaining screens, checking for any copyright or monetization notices along the way. At this stage, on the visibility screen, choose Public, Unlisted, or Private, depending on how you want it shared. Following this, click Publish. That's how you upload shorts on YouTube from PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.